Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Quick Start Guide for the Easy Make Web Builder training. In this training, we're going to learn how to set up manage access so that we are able to log back in to build and create on our website. So now that we're inside of our website, what we want to do is navigate over to our nav bar on the left hand side, and we're going to select settings. We're going to select settings. Now under settings, we're going to go to where it says website configuration. Under website configuration, we're going to select manage access. Manage access, we're going to select manage access and click on it. Here is where we're going to create a username and a password so that we can get quick access to edit and build out of our website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a username. So for this one, I'm going to do a temporary name. I'm going to call it my website. And then I'm going to make the password welcome. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to create it with a username that you're going to remember and a secure password. So I'm just going to put welcome in here for now. And then I'm going to hit save changes. So my username is my website and my password is welcome. I'm going to select save changes. Now that I've saved the changes, what I want to do is log out. I want to log out of it, and then we're going to log in. So I'm going to come down to the bottom of the navigation of the dashboard menu, and I'm going to select the 3 dots. I'm going to click on the 3 dots, and then I'm going to move to the right hand side and click on website administration mode. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to click on log out. I'm going to log out. Now what I want to do is log back in. So I'm going to log back in. So it's going to be your domain name, and then you're going to use admin. Your domain name, then /admin. Then it's going to bring you to a screen where you have several options. You can log in with your email address, or you can log in with your managed access. Remember, we created the email address and I said easymakewebsite@gmail.com. This should allow me to log into the site. Okay, that didn't work, but that's okay. So I'm going to go over to the more options, and I'm going to log in with the username and password. Then this is going to be my website, and this is going to be welcome. And we're going to hit verify. And as you can see, it allowed me to log in. So this has been the training on how to create a quick access so that you can go in and edit your website inside of Easy Make Web Builder.